So it's 2019 and guess what we are doing? Good morning guys, the year started full speed for us and we are in top drawer for the first time.
We're going to show to home from London to independent retailers.
Ciao Nacho! So Nacho was tired of getting shit in the van and look at the size. This is probably a whole house in there. Good morning from London. We are finally back in town. Strolling through Soho to take some pictures for this week on Instagram, so we're gonna show you a little bit around. And say hi to Francesco, he's our new photographer.
It is hand knitted
By my best friend who moved from Brazil to Portugal. She spent Christmas with us last year and she brought us like a Queen's Garden. Today I'm in our shop in Camden, listening to some Beatles. So come say hi if you're around. I'm meeting a lot of super cool customers today. How amazing to have a day like this in Camden with full sunshine. And Nacho is waiting for me to have lunch. Coming! Time to move out from the old studio. Happy Francesco. Whoa, what a mess. Making progress with the whole team. Helping, right, Francesco? I wait. No, you. So it's official. We are finally going to the office. We're not just waking up and going 2 steps to a new bedroom. We're just in a car going to the office. So Francesco and I are looking for new props for the new shooting and we found an art shop.
Hey, what's going on?
So we are working on the shop display and I have these planets to cut because it was actually cheaper to do this all in one board. And now you can the newest product in our range is a collaboration that we've done with him. The first from 2019 actually. Oh, you know when you're doing something right when you're carrying a jar of Pims in the end of the day with the whole team, yay! And you have a sharing Freddy mug to share the Pims. Hi, so we are here in Vend HQ.
Yeah, they invited us to meet the team and to share a little bit about the stories to home from London.
Yeah, they're gonna ask us a couple of questions. Super excited. Happy Pride! Where did you find this? Supermarket. We've always wanted to get a bigger shop in Camden and we finally did it. Let me show you quickly how we're doing so far. Our brand ambassador, the guard, and a huge bag. So Navia, how do you feel about your entrepreneur life?
Man, I feel like a woman.
Back to reality. You have to make coasters. Mwah.
I prefer this side of work.
Ah, see? Creatives. Hey, don't run, Navia! They walk of shame to clean the faces in the market. Last minute before opening, Ruth and Francesco are taking magnets from their flat. This is like a tradition, a ritual passage for home from London. So we are open in Autumn Fair. This is our new stand. A lot of changes from the first edition in January. But yeah, come visit us. Excited to announce this collab that we're doing with a lady in London, and we're developing a product inspired in her favorite things in London that we're gonna launch this Thursday. Super excited that we did this together.
Yeah,
so, like, how was the experience for you?
It was great. It was really cool to do something creative and collaborative and work with you as a designer and illustrator and artist and everything else. And to just kind of go back and forth with ideas till we got to something we loved.
I know, it was also like my first time working with in a collaboration properly with someone, and it was so exciting to see like how you were very sure of what you wanted, you know, and having this responsibility to transform your vision and my vision into something together, like something really intense, you know, somehow to like materialize to people's ideas.
Yeah, definitely.
So I'm very happy. I mean, you were the first blog that I was following when I moved to London, and I think we have very similar stories, you know, about how we started. And I'm very proud that we did this together.
Me too.
And I'm super happy with this. I mean, look at these colors.
Yeah, exactly. They're so great.
Good morning from sunny day in Camden Market. It's crazy busy. I've never seen Camden like this in this time of the year. Wow.
Christmas.
Tack månad Samir!
Buon Natale!
Feliz Natal para todos. Selamat Natal.
Feliz Natal!
Merry Christmas!
Feliz Noel!
Feliz Navidad!
Feliz Natal!
Merry Christmas.
Joyeux Noël!
Oh, yeah, hello girl. Feliz Navidad.
Oh Nini, se non ci si vede buon Natale!
Bon Nadal e Feliz Natal!
Merry